All right, quick video on taking this dang seat out. Couldn't find anything online, so decided to do it myself. I took the bolts out, those two bolts out. This is a ASV RT50, FYI. I took those two bolts out, moved the seat forward, and hopefully you can see, but down here, there are, let's see if I can get one to come out just to show you. See there? Right there, it just comes right out. Just like that on both sides. All right, seats out. Part two. This plastic piece right here just sets on top of that. It's that easy. There's the hydraulic pump. That's what I need to get to. I have a horrible